We find the VAT rate per dimension setup by searching for it. In the General tab, I define if the VAT rate per dimension should be activated on General Journal lines, Sales line, or Purchase lines. In General Journal document types, I can find which General Journal type this is enabled for. In Choose the Managing Dimension, I have two options. I can either let the managing dimension be one dimension defining the VAT rate, but I can also do an actual dimension string. The simplest is a managing dimension. And I choose which dimension code that should be the managing here. In applicable GL accounts, I define the accounts for where this setup should be activated. I can pick multiple GL accounts. In applicable dimension, I can choose a start date for when this setup should work from. I then have all of the dimensions. And the first two columns are my global dimensions. As I, in this setup, has said that it's only the managing dimension of department that will guide my setup, it would only look in department code regardless if I filled out more columns. If I use actual string instead, it will use the combination of all of the columns. Right now, I would choose a department code. And then the most important thing is to choose the VAT product posting group that the combination of the account number and this dimension should be set to. Now, if I post on an account and enter the department code instead of the normal VAT posting group on the account, it will be replaced with this account defined here after the starting date of 1st of April.